Hi everyone, good evening, my dear friend. Okay, my dear friend, so this is done. Now I'm just recapping whatever you have learned yesterday. So we have imported the basic package, right? So whenever you do sentiment analysis, you have to import these packages. So this is basic for everywhere. You have to use it, operating system, NumPy and Panda. This is called NLTK package. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. Okay, so here you can do the tokenization and all. So NLTK, then corpus and tokenize. Corpus means complete sentence, complete documents, and tokenize means you have to either split into sentence wise or word wise. So both you can do by the help of NLTK tokenize. Stop words, you have already seen that any sentence you can make it without a stop words is not possible. You need preposition, you need conjunction, you need pronoun, right? So these are the word is a frequent word, so I don't want, even you can remove it, there is no impact in the features. So that's why we did it. Then regular expression, so you have seen I use the regular expression also because this is a Twitter data, this data taken from Google Play Store as well as Twitter. So you know we handle by the help of regular expression. Next, any sentence there or words there, you have to do a limitization or a stemming. So Porter stemmer for stemming, limitization for wordlet limitizer. Mostly you will see people use this one, limitization. But if you ask me what is more fast, then I can say stemmer is more fast, right? It's a faster than limitizer. But this will not give you the meaningful result. So if you are interested to know what is the difference and all, you can go here, you can say difference between stemming and limitization. Okay, so you can see here the practical distinction between stemming and limitization is that where stemming merely removes common suffix from the end of the word token. Limitization ensure that output word is an existing the normalized form of the word, right? That can be found in the dictionary. So here limitization, whenever they are removing the suffix, whatever the real no actual word coming, that also exists in the dictionary, but stemming is not taking care about this. If you remove some last suffix words, whether the existing word will come as per meaningful result or not, they are not caring about this. So that is what the difference is. At the end I will do a visualization and I will show you guys that how how many positive word there, how many negative sentiment there, what is the neutral sentiment there. So we have to use word cloud. This is called feature extraction part, sklearn feature extraction. So there are two methods. One is called bag of word, another is called TF-IDF. A string means by default you will get some symbol, right? So that will taken care by a string. Now it's a supervised machine learning, so you have to split by the train test split. And we will use these three model along with I'll also show you how you can use deep neural network, multi-layer perceptron or artificial neural network. And how you will evaluate your model basis this confusion matrix and classification report or accuracy score, right? So whether you use machine learning or deep learning, in both cases, my friend, the evaluation matrix is this only. Then I imported the data set. We have certain variables there. So total observation is 5053. There are 13 variables there. What are the information? So you can see these are the information there. I'm interested to see this data and this data, sentiment manual. Okay, other than these are not a significant information whether that sentence is a positive or negative or neutral. And this also you have to analyze what are the source there. So these three data I have taken, remaining I removed it. So when I check the sentiment manual count, so there are three part there, three label data I'm getting it. So hence we can say it's a multi-class classification problem. When I check by the percentage, so I'm getting all are 34, 34 and 31. So that means data is completely balanced data. There is no need to handle imbalance. Treatment not required, right? No need to use a SMOT or some other methods. The data coming from data source, and there are two sources there. One is Twitter and another is Google Play Store. And that also come from 55 and 44%. So you can say this is also balanced. In balance in both Google Play Store and Twitter, I can see all three pattern is coming negative, neutral and positive. What are the variable? This one. Now I'm doing the cleaning part. So first thing first, I remove the unwanted variable. I don't need it. So I need only the review, data source, and sentiment part. After that, guys, I have just converted this part. I just rename them. Right, so very big name is coming, so I just rename them. I said review, lower case review is, you can only pronounce review, data source you can pronounce source, and sentiment manual you can say sentiment. Then we have done the describe function, because all three are characters. So I'm getting here how many unique value, what is the top, and what is the frequency is coming. This all review are a unique review. That's why it's coming top, means first value is coming. Here source top is coming Twitter, because Twitter is 55%, and sentiment neutral is giving maximum time, means 1738 times coming neutral only. All right. Now you can see here, my friend, we have just convert source data into a number format, right? So I convert into category, and then category convert into codes. Codes means number. So I'm getting here this one. So source, I'm getting this one 0 and 1. Sentiment is my dependent variable. And thereafter I have done this, the remove the, I just clean that part. So how you will, understand this part, guys? Here I have written at the rate. Okay. So this is called regular expression. So whenever at the rate, and after that anything is coming like a small a to z, caps a to z, any digit 0 to 9, after that following by underscore or hash. This is the actually, whenever you have a Twitter accounts, guys, you guys have noticed, right? The Twitter username is coming like that only, at the rate, and then there are symbols coming, some letter and all, this part pattern is coming. So in case it will come, yeah, or pipe symbol means or any letter, right, where any apostrophe, single quote or double quote is there, right? Either that is single quote or double quote. This part allow the possibility of retweet. So normally you will write something and someone, they really like your tweet and all, they retweet it. So this symbol is coming, so that part I have written here. Okay. Now D, you can say this part, this whole part, right? So this is D path. This means matches one or more digit. So wherever this backslash plus D is there, that means digit. After that, any digit there, right? Or anything is coming, later is coming, caps or a small letter, at the rate, plus, minus, anything is coming, right? That matches more occurrence of letter, both uppercase and lowercase, right? Or underscore, plus sign, equal sign, single quote, question marks. So this seems to be, designed to matches various character commonly found in Twitter account. So if you guys are following the Twitter, you have seen this pattern is coming. Okay, so this is what I have written. The same part we have repeated here. Now this part, okay, you can see again, I have written this one, and then I said what is this meaning is. So guys, this meaning is, first thing first, you can see starting with this symbol. So this symbol indicate an alternate. So if not this one, then alternate is what? I told you there are two, the data source come from Twitter as well as Google Play Store. So if it is coming by the Play Stores, so I'm saying if symbol indicate alternate, right? The meaning allow to, regular expression, whether it is previous pattern or the new patterns, like anything is coming HTTP, right? Some format is there. Then in anything which comes from HTTP or any letter, caps letter, small letter, digit, right? This part is coming, then we have to consider that part also. And after that, here ampersand sign, AMP, I have written it. This means, matches either anywhere you are getting ampersand sign or you are getting any HTML format, right? Everything they will take care and they can remove it. So that is what the meaning of this. So for your initially, if you know regular expression, you know that. If not, first time you are seeing this data set, guys, Twitter and Play Store, by default you have to remember this part. Okay, you can leverage, you can take this code, and when you do next time, you can copy paste, whenever you get sentiment analysis or text analytics things, just copy and paste and use the same thing. Or still you have any doubt, then you can go blindly, and I have used this one, so you can use only, you can take this, and remaining other thing, everything get removed. But here the problem is, if HTTP will come, then that will also consider here. So that is why it's this is not the good idea. The idea good is this one, which I have used it. Okay, after that I said read review text equal to regular expression does substitute pattern equal to repattern this or this, both I have written the same name, or a string equal to text, right? And replace equal to this for text review data map string values. When I did it, you can see everything is fine, but hash is still coming, right? Then I use the another list format from here, a blank review data clean. Here I said stop free. So I have joined all the word and all the sentences together, and I said please split one by one and then apply the stop words. So not in stop words anywhere, that word is not in stop words. If a stop word there, remove it. Same thing if stop words, I told you, this is called NLTK stop words and this is called word cloud stop words, slightly difference there. So anything which is not given, this word is not given here, then if that is coming here, that also you have to remove it. And then you can also remove the punctuation marks. So punctuation marks is nothing, you can see here the list form. So by default you will get a punctuation marks. By default these are the punctuation marks there. So you can say I don't want, I'm not interested to take this part as well. I'm not interested to take this part. So anywhere this symbol, right, this quote will come, then I have to remove it. So that part also I applied and then I appended here. Now you can see when I clean it, everything is okay, but hash symbol is, hashtag is not removing it, right? This is hashtag. So how you remove it? You have to say remove hashtag. So I have written, clearly I have given this condition that replace hashtag by blank. Okay, I don't want to give it. Now everything get removed. My data is clean, guys. Okay, everything is lowercase, all number, all symbols got removed. Okay, it's a clean data. Now you can see everything is clean data. Nowhere you will get any other symbol or any numbers. Full clean data, right? Now you can say fine. You have to just append in the new data and you can say clean review equal to the review data clean. So I have created this one. Now there is no use for review. You can say this is my independent variable and this is my dependent variable, and these two just I have taken for knowledge purpose. So now I'm just splitting the data into train and test. Here I say this is X data independent variable, this is Y data dependent variable, test size equal to 20%, training size is 80%, random state equal to any number, right? And stratified equal to, I said, will ensure that training and test both data we have all three sentiment will go, whether you can say Y train and Y test in both set of data we have. So that's why I've used it. Till here, my dear friend, are you with me? Everybody tell me. After that, I will write further codes. Till here, are you guys with me? Simple, guys, all my friend. Yeah, super. Now you can do feature extraction, guys. Feature extraction. How you will do it? Either you can use bag of word or TF-IDF. Okay, I'm using bag of words. Okay, so if you do bag of word, you can say cont vectorizer, or if you do TF-IDF, you can say TF-IDF vectorizer. Okay, both for function I have written here in beginning. You can see here feature extraction, cont vectorizer, or TF-IDF vectorizer. Anyone you can do it. If you ask me, my preference is always this, but since this is the first project, I'm using this and this. Both you can do. I don't think you will find much difference, but there is a difference there. Okay, when you learn NLP, you will able to understand what is the difference there. Right now, there is no impact, guys. So here you can say vectorize the text data using cont vectorizer. Okay, so you can say vectorizer equal to cont vectorizer parenthesis bracket. And here, guys, you can see when I'm doing this parenthesis bracket, what is happening? This is the parameter there. So it's saying input equal to content, right? What is my input data? So I'm passing everything is my input data. X train data is my input data. X test is my input data. All right. Now encoding, UTP-8 format, just leave as it. Decoder value, just leave this. strip accent lowercase, already it's there, but here also it's given true. You can go as it is, right? Here token pattern, so any pattern is coming like that. So all these things you can just consider as a minimum data frame is given here 1. Okay, minimum data frame is given 1. This is the parameter. Here maximum feature is given, how many feature you wanted. You can say everything, all feature, I'll consider it. Yeah, so you can say all part as it is, and then you can say here dot fit and pass here x train data. Now you can say x train vectorized equal to vectorizer dot transform parenthesis bracket x train. Similarly, my friend, x test vectorized equal to vectorized dot transform x test. Okay, you have to pass it. Now what is the benefit here, right? Why we are doing it, guys? Because I wanted to convert, into number. That's my objective, guys. But you can see first part I did here. You can just go and execute here. Now see this. If I pick this x train data, okay, you can see x train, it's coming like that, sentence by sentence, good, up, suddenly, stab, this, these are the words there. Now if I'm picking this one, okay, and if I'm passing here this, execute this, what it's saying here, a sparse matrix type. Now please try to understand what happened. Let me connect my marker. Just give me a minute, guys, so that I can explain you what is this. My dear friend, you guys have seen in level encoder, one hot encoder, what happen if I say location? Okay, if I say location equal to Mumbai, Delhi, right? You can say Bangalore, Pune. Okay, let's say this is. If you do one hot encoder, what happen, guys? Can I say location underscore Mumbai, location underscore Delhi, location underscore Bangalore, and location underscore Pune? You will write it like that. 4 column get created. This is called one hot encoder. And Mumbai is there, so you can say 1 remaining all 0. Delhi is there, you can say 1 remaining all 0. Bangalore is there, Bangalore is 1 remaining all 0. Yes or no? And Pune is there, you can say 1 and remaining all 0. This is what we are writing for one hot encoder, right? In basic things you have seen, but here we don't have one sentence, we have a multiple sentence there, right? You can say good, suddenly, start buffering. So how one hot encoder will work here? Okay, please try to understand. Let's say total sentence word is given that much, guys. Okay, just think about that, is total is coming with 2469. Now that much sparse matrix means that much column. Let's say, just think about, we have 50,000 or 5,000, only take 5,000 total unique words there. That is called unique words. So how suddenly get, you have to write it suddenly 1 and then 0. How many times you will write? Till 5,000, till 5k. Again stats, how you will write it? 0 1 and then 0 0 0 till 5k. It's a very complex or not, guys, if you use one hot encoder? Then all, my dear friend. Yeah, so one hot encoder is not the good idea, my friend, to use it when you do sentiment analysis. When you have only one words there, then very good, you can go ahead. But if there are multiple words there, then you are not supposed to go like that. So how is it working? Then what happened, guys? What bag of word will do? They can write all the words. So let's say suddenly is there. Okay, all 5,000 vocab you can write here, 1 2 3 4 up to so on 5k. And in the first sentence, if suddenly there, you can say yes 1. The stats there, you can say 1. Buffering there 1. Whatever words there, 1. If what is not there, then you can put 0. But one hot encoder is not working. One word, only one. And then 4,999 times you will put 0 only. Yeah, just think about when I have taken 5,000 words. So this is very, very good idea. Okay, you can just go by the bag of words. All right, so that is what I'm going to do it. Now, what are the names there, guys? You can copy this. You can say print this dot, or you can just see here this one. When I did the vectorized, guys, you can say dot get feature names. Okay, and these are the feature names there. You can see each word they have consolidated it. Right, these are the unique words there that is consolidated, so that much feature get created. You can see most of the words, the what I say, there's a stop words is not available, guys, that got removed. Okay, but anything apart from that you don't want to consider, that is also possible, you can remove it. All right, so you can see these are the unique words. I'm getting it now. Here these all words we have converted into a sparse matrix. Okay, Preeti ma'am, you have raised hand, go ahead.
Sir, in case words are repeating in multiple sentences, so whether it will assign that first
So
time
bag
one.
of words, it will not repeat. It will give the unique words only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you mean to say, I'm saying the first sentence is there. I like NLP.
Yes, sir.
Second, you can say NLP is programming language. Programming language.
Yes.
Now NLP repeated twice.
Yes, sir.
What you do, you have first thing first, you can say what is my vocab. So what is my vocab? Unique word you have to write. You can say I is there, like is there,
yes,
NLP is there,
yes, sir.
is there,
Yes, sir.
programming there, and then language there.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to write how bag of words works. The sentence 1, sentence 1, and sentence 2.
Yes,
Sentence 2, sentence 1, I given.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the features. You can say I is there, yes, 1. Like is there, 1.
Yes.
NLP is there, 1.
Yes.
Is there, no. Programming is there, no. Language is there, no.
Yes,
This is the sentiment for. So how you will write this entire sentence? 1 1 1 0 0 0. This is called bag of word.
Yes.
Now second sentence, NLP there, you can say yes. Is there? Yes. Programming is there? Yes. And language there? Yes. These two not there? So not. So how you will write this? 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is the representation. But if you go one hot encoder, how you will write it? How many total words? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can write here 1 1 2 3 4 5.
Yes.
Like how you will write 1 0 1 1 2 3 4.
Yes.
NLP how you will write 0 0 1 0 0 0.
Yes.
Again NLP how you will write 0 0 1 and then 0 0 0.
Yes.
Yeah, like that you have to write it. So this is more difficult. This is very simple.
Yes.
And whatever word repeated, you need not to worry, because in bag of word you can see that is what is given. So there are two things happen. If you don't write, okay, very good question you have asked. You can see quant vectorizer. You can put here shift and tab.
Yes, sir.
See here. Are you able to see binary equal to false given?
Yes, sir.
Binary, if I put binary equal to true, then word will not repeat. They will not count how many times. They will only give you the binary class as name suggests. Bag of word. So only if you don't write, by default you go, then what happened? NLP coming 2 times, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we have a sentence here, I'm saying NLP is good programming language and NLP skill set required to become a data scientist. Let's say 2 times I have written in first sentence itself.
Yes,
automatically it will consider 2.
Okay.
So idea is I'm not worried how many times there, whether that word is existing or not existing, that's I'm worried. So you have to write here true. Are you clear?
So binary true means it will take frequency, means repetition, how many times it is
That will only say whether that word is there one time or 100 times, hardly
taken.
matter whether that is existing or not existing. If
Yes.
existing, then 1, if not existing, then 0.
Okay.
If I write binary equal to false means how many times there, they will give the count value.
Okay.
Suggestion is always go binary equal to true.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for reminding. Otherwise,
Thank
it will go in the frequency wise.
Thank you. Thank you.
Clear, guys, all my dear friend? Everybody? Yes, no, maybe. This batch, what happened? I ask intentionally, don't join my batch. So see, suddenly drastically changes. Last week, 200 plus candidates joined down. Okay, no problem, guys. My dear friend, so this is done. No, no, Chandrakant. So it will not impact. Idea is whether you can say frequency or this. The main idea is that word is existing or not existing. So it will not impact actually. But why I will take 2 or 3 or 4? Why unnecessary? You know, computationally it takes time because they will count also how many times that word is there. If I use binary equal to 2, then only my machine will think whether that word exists or not. So they will only give the 0 and 1. But if you say false, then there is no impact in the answer, but computationally expensive, right? Each sentence, they will also count how many time that word repeated, and they will give the count value. Okay. So I can save time. You can say it will not impact, but yet computationally it's impacting. No. So whenever you build a machine learning or a deep learning, you are not only worry about the accuracy part, you also worry about the computational time, right? Where I'm taking less time. Why we are using GPU? Just think about, no? Because of computationally time only. Otherwise, TensorFlow supported by CPU also. Keras supported by CPU also. PyTorch, Theano supported by CPU also. Why we are using GPU? So answer is because I want to save time, right? I want quick answer. That is why I want, my software that should be not software, the hardware should be advanced. Okay. Chalo. Now you can see, guys, this part. If you see the answer, if I say PD dot data frame, and here you can say dot to array. See, guys, are you getting, my friend? Total, how many total column is coming? 4,974 column, and all are coming in the binary classes, 0, 1 class, guys. Similarly, you can copy this and you can say X test. Can I say what convert into this? Everybody, this is my independent variable review data there that get convert into number. What is the benefit now? If we have a number, I can easily build a model or not, guys? Tell me, my dear friend. If you have a number, you can easily build a model. Yeah. So now you have to go and build the model, guys. So what is the model name I have written? Naive Bayes theorem, right? Let me pick the Naive Bayes theorem. Model building. Okay, so I'm using Naive Bayes theorem. So what you do here, this is my function. You can say Naive Bayes multinomial. Multinomial equal to multinomial equal to, this is the package, multinomial package, and you have to say parenthesis bracket. And then you can say here dot fit, and you have to pass here, guys, xtrain vectorize, and then y train data. Okay, Y train I'm putting as it is. See the beauty in naive-Bayes theorem, you need not to worry about this. Y train is positive, negative only there, you can put it. But if you do other model, random forest and all, it's better you can convert it. So this model is done. Now you can say model building it done. Now my dear friend, you can say naive-Bayes multi-score dot score parenthesis bracket. Here you can say X train vectorize Y train. Okay, so this will give you training accuracy. Okay, I wanted to see uh, overfitting and underfitting problem. So this will give you training accuracy. Similarly, I'm interested to see test accuracy also. So you can say naive-Bayes theorem, copy, paste. I wanted to see guys, X test vectorize and Y test. Okay, you can say here print and then print print execute this. So my dear friend, 88% training accuracy I'm getting it, or 71% I'm getting test. See, naive-Bayes theorem is a probability method, guys. Okay, naive-Bayes theorem is working on the Bayes theorem. Okay, if you guys aware, then you know this is the formula. What is the probability of A when B is known? Equal to, you can say, probability of B by A, probability of likelihood into probability of prior, divided by probability of evidence or marginal. Okay, this is the formula there. This is very powerful, very simple, very elegant methods, very beautiful, very useful. Okay, and whenever you have ad hoc request, whenever you have a text data, you can go blindly and use this one. Okay, so when I use, guys, without any effort, I just written one line code and then multi score and score. I pass here X train, Y train, X test, Y test. I'm getting here. This is the accuracy. Now, if you see that, definitely I can say, my friend, 17% variance there. Can I say yes, my dear friend, overfitting problem there? Yeah, but definitely high bias is not there, my friend. Can I say bias problem is not there? High variance there. And high variance means what? Can I say I will go by the random forest, my dear friend? Yes or no? Yeah, so you can say if there is a high bias problem there, I can go by this. But you can just see directly I'm going the random forest. I'm doing some more modification here. I'm saying predict train equal to, I'm just storing here this is my model for, this is called training data accuracy. Similarly, predict test equal to you can pass this and store in the text. So both accuracy you will get 88 and 71%. Execute this. Okay, so I just got this value and you can say I just executed here. Now, my dear friend, you can see when I use this multi-class, I'm getting a coefficient value. Okay, let me do here this. You can say dot coefficient value. Okay, so these are the coefficient value for each of 5,000 features, right? 5,000 or 4,000 something there, right? 4975 features everywhere. I'm getting a coefficient value, right? So I'm able to get the value. Now what I'm going to do here, you can say this is my model. Okay, rather I'm calculating the score value. You can say no, I'm not doing, I'm just predicting here. You can say predict parenthesis bracket, and you can see you have to pass the X train vectorized data. Here you can say dot predict, and you can pass here X test vectorized data. Okay, train and test, you have to do it. Now what is this? You can say this is my predict data, positive, negative, neutral. You can see as it is the way you get, you have given the questions, I'm getting the same answer. Okay, this is what the sentiment is coming. Now you have to write here, you can say define get number data equal to data new. You can say pd dot data frame. Data you have to pass and columns equal to, my friend, what is the dependent variable? Dependent variable is sentiment. Okay. So sentiment is my dependent variable. Copy this and you can pass here sentiment. Now you can say data new equal to, or data new, you have to put here y label equal to np dot where data new sentiment, you can say equal to neutral. If that is neutral, then my response is 0. Then my response is 0. Otherwise, again you have to say np dot where, because there are three values there: neutral, negative, and positive. Otherwise, np dot where, you can say data new, and where you can say sentiment equal to, you can say if positive there, then I want to read as 1. Otherwise I want to read 2. So guys, can I say 0 means, my dear friend, neutral, 1 means positive, and 2 means negative, or you can put -1 means negative. Everybody, you are with me? Some make sense? And then you can say return data new. Okay, you have to write this function. Now what is the benefit here? You can just go and apply this one. Okay, you can apply this. You can say y train new equal to get number, parenthesis bracket, you can say y train. You can just apply here. Similarly, y test new equal to get number, and here y test. Now you can say, guys, the predict train new equal to get new, parenthesis bracket, you can pass here predict train. So everywhere it get applied. And last but not least, you can say predict test new equal to get number, and here you can say test. Execute this. Now what is happening, guys? If you see this part, you will get the number. Positive is 1, negative is 2, neutral is 0. Positive is 1, negative is 2, neutral is 0. Right? If I say new test, you can see same result, you will get it. Okay, you can say predicted value, same result, you will get it. Okay, if you take this one, same result, you will get it. So I've just converted this part. I hope you are with me, my dear friend. Yeah. Now why I did it, right? Because I wanted to show you the confusion matrix. I wanted to show you the classification report and all. That is why I did this part, guys. So you can go here and say print classification report, parenthesis bracket. Here you can say y train new, and here you can just give y label. This one you can take it. Okay, I'm not taking the sentiment, I'm taking y new, comma, predict train new, and you have to compare this, and you have to write here, my friend, y label. Copy, print, and you can say y test new, predict test new. Execute this. So you can see, guys, I'm getting here 88%. All three for precision, recall, and F1 score. Here 72, 72, 72%. Okay, this is what my confusion matrix is coming. Accuracy, you have already seen it, but still you can just type here. You can say accuracy score and accuracy score. Okay, so you have to give a presentation like that also, that this is what happens. So hence clearly you can see, guys, my data is overfitting problem, right? There is a overfitting problem there. My dear friend, please tell me, if there is an overfitting problem, which model you will prefer to use? Either you can say I will use the cross validation function, guys, k-fold method. Can I say I will go by the k-fold method? Or the second one is I can directly go and build the random forest model? Yes or no? Yeah, so which one you prefer, guys? Can I say I prefer to go first random forest and there I will apply the k-fold method? Because you have learned the theory part also in random forest, where there it's extensively mentioned there. If there is a overfitting problem there in random forest, that model is mainly for that one only, and officially k-fold is applicable there. You can go and apply it. Okay, so I'm just applying there. So you can say random forest. Random forest classifier. Pick this random forest classifier. So you can say RF model equal to random forest classifier. Okay, then you can say dot fit, and here you have to pass, guys, same thing, no changes at all. Copy paste, copy paste. Okay, so this is done. Now just check for accuracy first. Copy paste, do this here. RF model score, RF model score, and just do it, guys. My dear friend, error. Oh, I have to run this now first. Okay, this is random forest. I have not run it and I executed it. It's throwing an error. Now, guys, 99 and 70%. Now, if I ask you which one is better, guys, I'm not doing k-fold right now. Just tell me, if I will give you a choice, this one or this one, which one is better? Naive Bayes theorem is better or random forest is better? Everybody, Naive Bayes theorem. Why Naive Bayes theorem? Because I told you Naive Bayes theorem model itself is for mainly for two purpose. It's a probabilistic model. Probabilistic model. Okay, when you read their theory, guys, it's mentioned there that mainly for text analytics. Text analytics. And random forest is black box algorithm. Black box algorithm. Okay, this is ensemble learning. Ensemble learning, multiple decision tree combined together and then getting the result. And this is bagging method. In ensemble you can see bagging, and bagging is known for bootstrap plus aggregation method, right? And plus OOB method, auto bag method also. But this is mainly if there is overfitting problem there, then you have to go and use it. So when I use the simple techniques, I'm getting even higher overfitting. Here you can say at least 17%, but here what you say, 29%, huge or not, guys? Yeah, so you can go and you can say, can I apply the overfitting problem, k-fold method? Yeah, so you can say I wanted to do this part. So first you can do this one. Let me copy this. Copy this. Copy this. Okay, same thing I'm copying paste, guys. Copy paste. Okay, copy paste. And what you have to do, just copy this random forest, change here, random forest, random forest. Here you can say 1, 1. Okay, remaining everything as it is. All this. You can say 1, 1, 1, 1. Here you can say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, please go ahead and execute this. Enter, 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 enter. See, this is coming 88, 88, 88. Here 70, 72. So what happened? Same result I'm getting. Is it name base or this is fine? So classification is coming this. And how about this? Something happened. Random forest model. This is same answer I'm getting. No, something has happened. I think 88, 71. Okay, I'll do one thing then. So here the problem, guys, I have not changed this part. You can see predict 1 and 1 I have given, right? So that is why the problem happened. I thought what happened, why it's coming like that. Yeah. So this is fine. 99, 70. Here 71 is coming and here 99 is coming. So now it is perfectly fine. Now what you do, guys, you can say, can I apply the k-fold method? Okay, can I go and apply the k-fold method? Okay, so you have to just go and try the k-fold method. Other techniques also I'm going to teach you, right? You can see this, but let me fix this one. You can say apply k-fold method. So what you do, you can say from sklearn dot model selection import cross val score. Okay, copy this. Here you can say training accuracy equal to cross validation score. What is my model name? You can say my model name is random forest model. Okay, comma, what is my training data? You can say X train, and what is my test? Y train. And then you can see here, guys, you can see here, you can say training accuracy print training accuracy dot mean value. Okay, mean value is coming NaN. What I have done this. Okay, so ideally I should give this, no, the vectorized value, right? I have given pass the training, which means character. So that is not correct, right? So this is, and then we have to put cross validation also equal to 10. Then only mean will come. So my dear friend, now please tell me it's a balance or not. Training accuracy, average accuracy, 10 time we calculated and I have taken average. I'm getting 73 and test is 70%, 70.8. Can I say balance now, my dear friend? Both crossing the limit 70% and train and test, the variance is only 2%, 3%. Tell me, can I say I balanced it, my dear friend? Yeah. So like that, you have to go and perform it. There is other method also there. I use back of word, right? You can apply the TF-IDF and then you can see what is the result I'm getting it. All right. So let me use one more algorithm and then I will show you that part also. Other is XGBoost classifier. Okay, take this one. Let me try the XGBoost classifier. XGBoost classifier. Please go ahead. Say XGBoost equal to XGBoost classifier dot fit, and here you have to pass the data set is this. Okay, my job is very simple, my dear friend. Just copy paste, and here you can say this and this. Go ahead, execute this. What happened? Invalid classes inform unique value. This expected 012 got negative neutral. Okay, so XGBoost is not working like that. So let me do this one. Let me apply this first. Copy. Execute this. Then copy this. I have to apply here. You can say white train new equal to new 2, white test new 2. Okay, remove this one. Now here you have to apply train. Not supported between instances of string and this. What is coming? Okay, sorry. So I have to put here y label. Y label. Okay guys, so 1, 2 I have given. Now you can check. Done. Copy this. You can pass here and you can pass here. Only change part is test. This. My dear friend, 83 and 71. Can I say without doing any effort, guys? All three, if you compare XGBoost, random forest, and naive Bayes theorem, which one you prefer to go, guys? When I have started naive Bayes theorem by default given 88% and 71%. Random forest 99% and 70%. And this is giving 83 and 71. What is your preference, guys? If I ask you which one you prefer to go, can I say blindly, guys? I will go by XGBoost because here the variance is coming only 10-12%. Naive Bayes theorem 17% they have given. Random forest 29%. When I use k-fold only, then my model get reduce. Otherwise, it's very good or not? Come on. Yeah. How you can just enhance slightly? You can say when I have used here, you can give the parameter also. So XGBoost, when I have used here this model, you can say here minimum difference data frame equal to 5. Minimum data frame I need 5. Okay, go ahead and do this. Now apply here. 83 no improvement. Leave this part. You can say shift and tab. Shift and tab. Maximum depth equal to leave maximum bin, learning rate, verbosity, objective, tree based, number of jobs, gamma value, children, delta value, sample, alpha, lambda, base score, missing parallel, potent column, grid, this maximum threshold value, keyboard argument. Okay. maximum depth equal to, let's say, but it's optional there. Okay, leave this. Let me do one thing. Here, my friend, I'm applying the k-fold method. Okay, let me apply the k-fold method on the top of this, because here is still, you can say 12% variance there. Can I apply k-fold method? Go ahead and do this. So by default, I'm getting that one. When I'm doing this k-fold, you can say XGBoost. Okay, X train vectorizer, Y train this, and training accuracy equal to this. Just see, guys. Yeah. So 73.8, and here, guys, 70.1 point this. Can I say in both way I can easily handle, guys? If without doing k-fold, which choice is the best choice, guys? If I ask you without doing k-fold, which choice is the best choice? Will you say I prefer to go by this method, guys? XGBoost. Yeah. But if you do k-fold, then both are same, right? Either you can go random forest or you can go XGBoost, hardly matter. Random forest also gave the 73.70 and here 70.8. Slightly XGBoost is better, right? Here 73.87 and here I'm getting 73.77. So in this case, training XGBoost slightly some 0.% and here test result 70.8 and here test result I'm getting 71.8, 1% above. So can I say in both cases I prefer to go by XGBoost? Yeah. Okay. Now when I use bag of word, can I show you the TF-IDF also, my dear friend? Yeah. So how you will do TF-IDF? Go here. Okay, this part I have done. This one called feature extraction. Can say feature extraction basis TF term frequency inverse documents frequency. Okay, TF-IDF. Copy paste and go ahead and do this. So what you do here, by using TF-IDF vectorizer, same thing by using TF-IDF. TF-IDF, copy. Okay, there is no concept called binary here because TF-IDF will not give the binary value. You can see here shift and tab. So import the pre-processing tokenizes and everything. Yeah, binary here is given, but I'm not going by binary equal to true and false. Reason is this will give decimal value. Okay, so here minimum difference is there, this, or maximum feature is there, this. Let me take everything as it is. Okay, just I'm checking whether I'm getting better answer or not. That's the only difference. I'm going to do it. So you can write here TF-IDF. Copy this. TF-IDF, 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 TF-IDF. All right. And then you can execute it. Now, what is the difference here, guys? You can see if I do this part and I'm writing here PD dot data frame parenthesis bracket dot to array. You can see it will give you a decimal value. Okay, so it will give you a decimal value. It's not coming because I have not given full depth, but if you see that, it will give you decimal value to array. Okay, so right now it's coming 0.0, but some point value is there. Now you can say, can I check, can I build the same model and check whether this is working fine or not? So let me go here. Let me go here, guys. and use the XGBoost method. Okay, because XGBoost I prefer to go ahead. So you can copy the XGBoost. All right. Here, instead of writing this vectorize, you can write here. You can write here, my friend, xtrain TF-IDF. TF-IDF and execute this. Okay, this is the TF-IDF value I put it. Next, you can copy this, paste here, and just pass here. Okay, what you have to do, my dear friend, some makes sense or not what I'm doing? Everyone. Okay, execute this. So I'm getting 88 and 71. Now just tell me which is better, guys. Bag of word is better or this one is better? Come on. Bag of word given 82. This is giving 88. Can I say bag of word is better in this case? Yeah. So I can say I will conclude that bag of word feature extraction is good in this case, and XGBoost model is the best one comparatively random forest and this one. So that is the analysis, guys. Okay, model building. Now you can do more to and fro. You can say, can you give me the positive words only? Can you make the cloud? Okay. I just did this part. You can try the same thing with random forest, naive Bayes theorem, right? Everywhere you can try it. Spend time, guys. Also, if you want, you can try support vector machine. You can try other things, right? Here variance is this. So I will not go by this one. No, Vijay. That's why I said XG bag of word is better. Bag of words given how much? Variance is coming initially 83 and 71. 12% variance only. Here 17% variance. 17% variance. So that's why bag of word approach is the best one, because my purpose is not only to increase the accuracy. My purpose is balance it also. Yeah, cool. Now, my dear friend, what is my data set there? What is my data set there initially before training and test? This one, review data. Okay, let me do word cloud analysis by using word cloud. Word cloud. So you can say this one dot head. Okay, so this is my sentiment is a positive or negative there, right? What I'm going to do here, I'm saying positive review. Positive review equal to review data. In review data, the column name is sentiment. Column name is sentiment, and sentiment equal to you can say the positive sentiment. Dot sentiment dot value counts. Okay, so you can say equal to positive sentiment. And basis, we're taking the clean review. Okay, this is my independent variable. So you can say filter by clean review. Copy this part, guys. Paste here 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. This is positive review. You can say negative review. And here sentiment equal to, you can say negative. Okay, and then you can say neutral. Neutral. and execute this. Okay, so I have done this part, my friend. Now I'm just building uh, this part, the sentiment analysis. Now you can see, guys, positive review dot shape. How many there? 1733, comma, negative dot shape. What is coming? 1582 and neutral shape 1738. All right. So that means I have filtered correctly. All right, my dear friend. Can I show you the visualization part, everyone? Yeah. So what you do here, you can say positive data token equal to NLTK. Natural Language Toolkit is the package. You can say word tokenize. Tokenize. Okay. Word tokenize. And here you can write review or review RVW for RVW in positive review. Okay. Similarly, copy this, paste here 1, 2, and 3. Second, you can say negative token, and third is neutral token, right? Here we can say negative review, and this is called neutral review. Just create this one tokenization part. I did it. Execute this. Okay, so my machine did the tokenization. You can see here my machine did tokenization. All word by word tokenization happened. Neutral, you can see neutral, all tokenization happened one by one. All right, so these are the neutral words. Now you can go and make the sentiment analysis basis the visualization part. You can say word cloud positive equal to, the function is, guys, word cloud. Okay, this is the function. Copy this and you can apply here word cloud. Next, you can say background color equal to, you can say blue. Okay, any color, you can say white, you can say black. By default you will get black. I'm saying blue, or you can put white also. Maximum word, I'm saying 200. Give me the positive words. What are the maximum time uses there? All right, maximum font size equal to, let's say, 40. Okay, then you can say a scale equal to 3, thickness, right? Random state equal to any number, you can say 10, and then you can say dot generate a string, and here you have to pass this positive token. Okay, this is word cloud positive, so you have to pass the positive token. All right, copy this line, paste here, second and third. You can say word cloud negative, word cloud neutral. All right, here you can say negative token, here you can say neutral token. All right, this is the name I have given, neutral data token, negative data token. So everything I have given it. All my dear friend, you are with me. Everybody, please tell me. Yeah, my dear friend. Now, if you wanted to change color, let's say here I'm giving white. Here I'm giving black. Okay, so you can decide what you have to give. You can just create here. Okay, I'm ready, guys, to make the visualization. Okay, now you can see how beautifully you will get the visualization. So you can write here import matplotlib dot plot as plt. You can say figure equal to plt dot figure And here you can say 1 comma fig size 12 comma 12. Then plt dot access, you can say I don't want to give any access off. You can say plt dot I am so means visualize, right? I want to visualize this. Which one? You can say positive, this one, positive word cloud. Now you can say uh, plt dot title, you can say positive review and size equal to, let's say I'm saying 20. plt dot show, this is the positive. Import matplot lib dot py plot, right? Py plot. See this, guys. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? This all word is a positive words. Nice, app, entertainment, episode, work, love, good, useful, thank, watch, best. So can I say all word is a positive words, guys? My dear friend, everybody, this is positive review. Yeah, so this is the visualization. Yeah, you can do even more. See how nicely this is looking, right? It's looking the 3D image, right? Hot star is coming down, app is coming up, like that it's coming. Now you can copy this, paste here the second one, and here you can say word cloud negative, negative. You can write negative review, negative review, execute. Negative I have given white, so you can see white background is coming. These all are negative words, guys. Okay, I don't know good is coming, good is not the negative. Maybe some sentence point of view it's coming. Please help, uh, downloading, got, still work, user, a premium, subscriptions, hotstar, bad, play, right? These are the some of the negative words there, but some of the words is coming positive also. Maybe their context is different, right? When they have written in different format. No, so that's why system is picking this. Copy this part, and you can say tell me the neutral words. Neutral review, neutral review, and here you can say neutral, NEU. See this, this is called neutral review. Okay, so this one I have given blue background, white background, here this neutral, and these are the neutral word. Watch, episode, hotstar, naam, dun, one, ko, kya, episode, download. See, these are the neutral words there. This part you can analyze in a better way when you have some political parties speech there. Let's say prime minister speech, you can pick it. Yeah, or you can pick some different leaders data, right? It will give a very nice review. All right, so you have to when wherever sarcastic is coming, no Vijay, that consider as a negative one. Yeah, that is why it's coming that it's a negative one. um Birendra, why it's coming hot star in neutral also? You can see hot star is negative also, and hot star in positive also. So that is, actually data set name itself is a hot star. So sometimes they have mentioned hot star is a very good platform, someone say hot star is pathetic platform, and someone say hot star is neutrally okay. So in all three case, can I say by context meaning they are considering in all three parameters? That is why you are getting it. Understood? Yeah, episode also you can see somewhere they said that episode is very good. Second one, the second episode was very pathetic. And third one, third, no, normally Game of Thrones, if you guys have watched it, right, you can say first series was awesome, last series which came in 2018 neutral, okay, right, like that you can say. My dear friend, interesting project or not? Tell me, everybody. Now you have liberty, you can go and pick any text data, guys, any sentiment data. Okay, you can go in Kaggle, or you can go in UCI machine learning. There are tons of data is available. You have 1 week time. Project session means not only I will come on Saturday, Sunday and complete it. Once I complete this, my expectation is you guys go on the Kaggle or any open source platform, pick that data set and just try to explore, do the same thing, replicate it, see whether you are able to do it or not. So many concepts I taught you here. I covered bag of word, I covered TF-IDF, I covered how to do a pre-processing, I covered how to do a regular expression part, how you can clean them, how you will apply a stemming or lemmatization part, how you will remove the stop words and all, how you will split into train and test and then build different model. And then you can use k-fold method, and then after that I analyze also by the help of word cloud. Now tell me, any text data if you get in future, are you worried now? Will you able to do it or not? All my dear friend, Najib, I'll upload it. Okay, I'm going to upload this code now. You can just download it, and also I'll share the link. So this is the link, my friend. Okay, take this link, save it. Going forward, I will upload here only. Okay, now if you want to apply the deep neural network also, you can do it. Okay, you can go and apply the deep neural network, but in this case I don't think deep learning is required, because then my suggestion is I can do little advanced called I have to use word to vec or globe method. And then rather I can go by deep neural network, I prefer to use RNN or LSTM or GRU, right? Get a recurring unit. Or even more advanced, then you can go and use the transformer or BERT model or GPT model. So that is not the idea, guys, for this batch especially. Yeah, because that is very advanced. But deep machine, a deep neural network, can I apply, guys? Can I show you how you will write a code and all? Or you will try it? I have already done. Will you try that part? In the last session when I have taken, what was the last session? Telecom domain, right? Will you use this concept, guys? This one, will you try this part? My friend, just this line code, possible or not possible? This is the package required. You have to import it, right? TensorFlow is a backend program. Keras is a front-end program, or Keras is a wrapper. In Keras, we have layers. We are getting dense layer, we are getting sequence layer, we are getting a dropout, batch normalization, Atom, all type of optimization, all type of activation function, everything. And then it's a sequential API. So I have done this part. Next, what you do, copy this line and paste here. Is it big deal, guys? Tell me, when I have given here this all part where I have given train and test data, are you not able to apply this one? All my dear friend, is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or not possible, my friend? In place of train and test, can you say this one is my train and test? And in place of validation data, will you not say that this is my validation data? Here you can say X test, and here you can say Y test. Possible or not possible? Tell me, come on. Rest everything I have written as it is, my dear friend. Yeah, and here you have given epoch equal to 100, you can put it, execute here. See, 100 times execution done. Something error. Let me see, what is this? User code, value error, layer sequential is incompatible, expected, shape is none, 30 found in this. So actually it's a binary class classification, right? Sorry, multi-class classification. Here I have given binary cross entropy. Are you guys with me? So if you give binary class, multi-class classification problem, and you apply this a part, then there is a problem happen, guys. So you are not supposed to give this one. You have to give the multi-class classification problem only. My friend, are you with me? What is the problem here? Everybody? Yeah. So what you do, you can change this binary class. You can say here categorical cross entropy. Categorical cross entropy. Cross entropy. Categorical cross entropy. Okay. Something has happened. Line number this. Vectorize x and y epoch equal to this. There is no problem. Categorical cross entropy is the problem. No. Fit this train. Let me do one thing. When I have given this, okay, so I'll do one thing. I'm saying x train equal to pd dot data frame this one dot to array. Okay, no need to worry, my dear friend. And then x test equal to pd dot data frame this dot to array. Okay, and here you can say x test. Now execute this. Now what happened here, guys? You can say x test dot shape x test dot shape. Then I have written here y train label. What is their shape? And then y test dot shape. Same thing, no challenge at all. Okay, so you can see 4042 4042. Here 1011 1011. Okay, now it's fine. Now don't write this one. You can say you can say x train and x test. Let me try this now. Again error. Use code. Guys, how many answer there? 3 answer there. No, I have to change this part also. No output. 3. And this is called softmax. My mistake, guys. Please remember, guys, if it's a multi-class classification, then you have to activation equal to softmax. And how many output? 3 output, not 1. That is why it's throwing an error again and again and again and again. Next, what is error? Input 0 layer sequential 4. The incompatible with the layer expected shape is none. This found none in this. Ah, input shape is given here 4975. I'm giving here dimension 30. So how it will work? What happened? Why it's showing again? See, that is what happened when you do copy paste. No, this is normally happen. 4975 4975. That is the features. Perfect. This one and this one I have given X train and Y train new. Y train new. I'll do one thing, guys. My dear friend, no need to worry. I'll show you that part also. We have a time. So let me go here. When I have done this feature scaling part, feature extraction part, this one, test vectorize, copy this. Let me do here. Okay, before I building a model, let me do this. So this is called deep learning approach. Deep learning approach. What we have to do here, you can say vectorize this, train to array, and here dot to array. All right, and instead of doing this, review data is there. Okay, so this is coming now. I'm saying vectorizer is this. Now I'm saying here review data dot review equal to vectorizer dot fit underscore transform parenthesis bracket, and you have to pass this one, this. Sparse matrix CP0. I'm just thinking, guys, what I have to do here. Can I go directly and I can use it, or can I build from a scratch? So I'm just thinking what I have to do it. Mm, can I do this? This part, I'm taking this one. So let's say this one is fine. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Now what happened? Integer object has no attributes called lower. Guys, just give me a minute, my friend. I'm just fixing because there is a problem happen. So I just copy paste. That's why they are not taking it. And now my system is not supporting. So let me recheck what happened. So this is fine, right? This is fine. Now I'm saying train test data and sentiment equal to this. So that is my X train and X test. Now I'll do one thing. I'm saying review data 1 equal to review data, only I'm taking here clean review, and then comma sentiment. Okay, this is what is coming. Now review data dot head, I'm getting here this one. Here what I'm doing, I'm saying review data sentiment, I'm just converting into number, equal to review data sentiment dot as type equal to category, and then review data sentiment equal to review data sentiment dot category dot codes. Now this dot head or sentiment dot value counts. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. 0 1 2 is coming. So now I'm targeting this one. If I say review data dot head, so this is number, and clean data is coming only as a character part. All right. Now uh, what I'm doing here, I'm saying split the data into X and Y. So I'm saying X equal to review data 1 clean data, and Y equal to review data sentiment. String indices, this would be sentiment, or you can say dot ilog all row 0 to 1. This dot ilog all row and only the last one. Sorry. Okay, so X dot head, I'm getting here this, and Y dot head, I'm getting this one. Okay, now if I apply directly this one first, so vector contour vectorizer fit, I'm saying X, and can I say, or simply I say this one dot X vectorizer equal to vectorizer dot fit underscore transform X and then to array. Okay, I'm getting here this. Now vector dot, if I say pd dot data frame X, this one dot head 0 and 1. What is this? What happened, guys? It's creating a problem. So if I say X is what? X is this. Okay, let's say I'm not doing this one. This one. Here I'm saying this is my X and this is my Y. Okay, remaining as it is statified equal to, let's say, Y. Okay, now X train is coming clean and all. Yeah, so 40, this one column is coming. Now let me try here. Let me apply this. vectorizer equal to this dot fit, and here I have to pass here the X train data. X train next test. Okay. X train, and then train vectorizer equal to train, and X test vectorizer equal to X test. Execute this. Now it is fine. Now what is giving this? If I run this one, next test, if I say this one, 1 1, this, I'm not getting why this is 1 is coming. What happened? 1 by 1 is sparse matrix. Which one you are saying? This y, my friend, y is okay. No, y is what? This is my y. So if you see y is 3, y dot value count, value counts. So that is okay. 102 is converted this. X is the creating a problem. X is coming this. Now when I convert into this part, everything is considered as a one part only. This is how this is working, right? This is the problem only. That part I'm not understanding why it's happening. What I have to do, if I'm using this concept, don't know what happened. So if I say here bag of word equal to, right? I'm simply saying bag of word equal to um, cont vectorizer, then I'm saying here X bag of word equal to bag of word dot fit underscore transform, and X is my data set. What are the X dot column? X dot columns. So only one column is this. So if I say X clean review, X clean review, X clean review, and then dot to array. This is not working. That is the problem. So what I have to do then? Can I do one thing? Can I write? See, I can treat separately, then only it will work. Yes, Chandrakant, go ahead.
So the transform spelling was wrong, sir, in cell 140.
Here, oh, transform, right? Chandrakant sir, thank you very much. You you save my time. Otherwise, I'm trying to do complete analysis. Thank you very much. I'm just thinking what happened, why it's not working. So this is what is there. 5603's column is coming, right? So this is what my X is coming. Now it's perfectly fine. So this part is not required, guys. Okay, leave this one. Now I have done this one, bag of what for this one. So this is my X axis. Now this part if I write here, directly this one versus Y train, Y, and validation split equal to, let's say I'm writing validation split equal to 0.2. Okay, now what happened? So not required. So here sequential, let's say this is I'm taking 32 activation or 64 because so many variables there, activation ReLU, and this is how much there. These two part is not required, not required, not required. So this is 5603. You can say 5603, 5603. Then 8 activation ReLU, output I need 3. Adam, categorical cross entropy, matrix equal to accuracy, X bow, Y, episode epoch equal to 100, match size 32, validation split equal to 20%. Okay, now can I copy this part? Writing this, can I say this equal to X underscore bag of word 1 equal to this? And then you can say X bag of word 1 dot head. This is fine. 5603. 5603. Okay. Again errors. What is happening? Why it's showing error? The target shape is incompatible. This C anaconda. This line 5559. Categorical cross entropy. Target shape is incompatible with output shape. What is output shape is there? This is my input data. I'm passing input data 5603. Column is there 5603 or 5602. No, 03 only. That is correct. And Y is my what is their shape there? Dot shape Y dot shape. So 5603, 5603. Here 5603. That is correct. 5053 and 5053 is okay. That is the variable. I said input dimension equal to this 5603. Dense equal to this 3. Compile optimizer cross entropy. Loss value you are saying this is not correct. Yeah, so let me try then. I'm using a sparse categorical cross entropy then. Let me see, maybe that is the reason. I don't know guys. Then I have to, write complete code from beginning. I can do it, okay? Don't worry about this. Keras dot losses dot sparse categorical cross entropy. Okay, matrix equal to accuracy. And here you can say from logits equal to true. Then execute this. Yeah. Okay. So it's working fine now. So who said loss function? Lovely Gulati. Thank you very much, my friend. So I changed the sparse categorical cross entropy. It's working fine now. Okay. So you can see 100 iteration I have given. Just wait. And are you able to see the accuracy, guys? 97, right? But test accuracy, you can see very pathetic. That is the problem happening in deep learning. That's why I said deep learning cannot replace machine learning algorithm. Okay, because data set was very less, right? 5,000 data only there. Even though I use the, you know, feature extraction and all, if you go by deep neural network, that is the problem happen. See, training you will get 100%, but test will not improve. Huge variance is there. So will you prefer to go by this model, guys? Tell me, will you prefer to use this one, or you prefer to use machine learning algorithm? Everybody, can I say ML is the best one? Yeah, but just knowledge purpose, in case you get such, you know, text analytic also, can I do it by the help of yes this? Yeah, it's possible. Like that only you have to do it. So training accuracy very good, 98, but test C 56%. Very pathetic. We are not happy at all. Okay, you can say I will not go by this. Yeah, so it will take time. Once it's done, I'll upload in your drive. You can just go through, and just for your practice purpose, I would suggest don't use this part, just knowledge purpose. I have written it so that you have a reference that I have done deep learning approach also, but always go by the ML part. If when you go the deep learning part, you know, whenever the language text analytics there, the idea is you can use the RNN model. RNN is for text analytics. You can use LSTM, long short term memory. You can use gated recurring unit. You can use BERT, bidirectional encoder representation model, or you can use GPT model. Okay, that will give you a better result. But just for knowledge purpose, I have written it. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much all.